Debbie Gleason, and you know, I am walking down the Blue Concourse coming in the Minneapolis Gift Mart, and it's quiet, it's in between markets. We're getting ready, starting to get ready for 2016. Can you believe it? 2016, that's a lot of years out here. But I love it. It's like the theater. You tear down your set in December, and then in January, we come in and we start with a bare showroom, and you start your stage set, and you begin your whole new year of theatrical performances at our markets. I so look forward to seeing you in my showroom, Blue 101, and we unlock it, go in. Welcome to 2016. I'm getting ready for my new market. Thank you.